How to change name on Chase. First, download Chase application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then log into your account with username and password. Went ahead and open your Chase app. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change the name of your Chase account, first you're going to click on Pay and Transfer. It's down here on the bottom left. Once you do that, you will see various different options, but you want to look for this line right here called Settings. It's here at the bottom. Once you do that, you're going to see this pop up, and you want to click on Zelle Settings. Then here, click on Personal Profile. After that, in this page, you can change your name. And click here to save changes. That's it. Thanks for watching.